Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking these twists out of my hair. They've been in my hair for about a month and a half now, and there's nothing wrong with them. They look good because I've redone them once or twice, not the whole head, just like some that were looking kind of wonky. But they don't look bad besides like my edges, but I don't really care about that. But I'm redoing them because, or I'm taking them out because my hair is extremely dry and I think it's just time to switch it up. Yeah, so I will be taking these out today for you guys. And I love this style so much because it's so easy to do and it's so easy to take out, and I like the way it looks, and I always end up leaving twists in my hair for way longer than I would leave braids in my hair. I just thought let you guys know that. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm just gonna start taking these out, and the reason I love these so much because the reason I love these oh my god, now I'm spitting. The reason I love these so much is because they're so easy to take out. English jazz. So what I usually do is I just go to the end and I'll just pull it apart. And then I'll move up a little more and pull that part. And then same thing one more time till we get to the top where I started my braid. And then I'll just unbraid and slide it off. That took less than 10 seconds. And here we go. And I don't have like much dirt or buildup here because, like I said, I redid it maybe 2 weeks ago, a week ago, I don't remember. And I got a little bit of shedded hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this and get it out of my head. Alright guys, I am done with my hair, and it is very dusty and dirty, but it's actually super moisturized. So like my hair, I don't know how to explain it. It just feels really nice and healthy, which is weird because my scalp is the complete opposite. My scalp is dry and gross, but my hair feels really soft and really moisturized. So I'm not sure what that's about, but we're still gonna wash it anyway. So I have planned for a deep conditioner that I made at home, and I will show you guys that when I get to it. But for right now, I'm gonna go wash my hair with some shampoo, and I'll show you guys the shampoo too. I'm gonna wash my hair in the sink in the kitchen because I don't feel like taking a shower right now. I'll take a shower when I rinse the deep conditioner out of my hair later. So I'm gonna go upstairs, go put some shampoo in my hair and the deep conditioner mask, and I will bring you guys with me. Yeah, let's go. It's been about 2 hours. I have my hair wrapped under here. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out, and I'll probably end up doing it tomorrow. I don't really feel like doing it tonight because I'm tired. So I'm just gonna rinse it out, put some leave-in in it, and go to sleep. Okay, I am out of the shower. I just rinsed the mask out of my hair, and my hair feels so good. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Besides the fact that it's drenched, it feels really well moisturized. My curls are back. Like, they're cute. They're very wet. I gotta dry them off. I forgot my towel in the room. But yeah, the mask worked really well. Editing Jasmine here. I forgot to end the video. The mask was super good. It was super nourishing. I think I really did just put leave-in conditioner in my hair, and put it into like 2 big braids, tied it up, and went to sleep. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Leave a like down below, comment any suggestions you have, and hit the subscribe button if you guys want to follow my hair journey. Thanks, bye.